10,000 words. There are two things also. We don't call them actually map, but they are talked about with this. A sketch is something which we draw based on our memory. We want to make someone understand something. For example, you are Ram, I am Sham, and I want to tell you that, okay, how to come to my home. So I'll show you. Okay, go this way, take a right, and there will be a Vishal Dairy, and go say some distance. And when you go take a left turn, then you'll see a movie hall, MGM Cinema Hall or a movie hall. Then go and take a first left, that will around go 10 meter, take a right, there will be say some post office, and just after that, just 20 meters, I live. So I made a sketch just to know you, just to make you understand that this is how you are going to come to my house. So this is a sketch. This not comes under the, because it doesn't have a scale, so it's not sketch. What about plan? See, if there is a community you are going to design, an architect is going to design, or a builder is going to make something, or if you want to make your house, you go to an architect, a house planner. For that, there is a plan need to be known. For a small area, you need to show it with every very fine detail, like this house. Now this house, you can show this is the length, this is the width, this is the bathroom here, this is the gate, what is the length of the gate, what kind of things are being used. So this is a plan. A plan is a drawing of small area on a large scale. Just to show you, because this is drawings drawn to scale, we can refer drawings drawn to scale is a plan. Like this is not a map, which you are not showing any place, man-made or the Prakritic, but you are trying to show as a map.